obvious from the name itself. It is written here, rose gardener came to you. So a forest worker or a rose gardener came to you. So obviously they are talking about which disease? Yes, they are talking about rose gardener's disease. Okay, so rose gardener's disease, and he got a thorn prick. Okay, so what happens that wherever there is thorn prick, so that is inoculation of the fungus in the skin, and there a nodule start developing. Okay, now what happens that this causative organism, that is this causative organism spreads via lymphatics. So because it is spreading via lymphatics, what happens? It enters into lymphatics, then it produces another nodule, then another nodule, then another nodule, and all these nodules are present in linear fashion along the lymphatics. And that is what you can see in the image कि patient को क्या हुआ, thorn prick हुआ, and after that a nodule developed, then another nodule, then another, and these linear row of nodules start developing, and such linear row of nodules are seen in sporotrichosis, which is also known as rose gardener's disease. Now remember that sporotrichosis can be of multiple types.